We have a brand new Camaro here. Well, it's a 1970, but this is as close to brand new as you will find. Every last screw, clip, and clamp was replaced or rebuilt or restored in this car. It is fresh in all the nooks and crannies. Complete body off frame restoration, 396 big block motor, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, classic auto air was added to the car, automatic trans, posi rear end, immaculate, even underneath, spotless. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. The fit and finish is far better than the factory ever produced. Absolutely laser beam straight. Every square inch of this is pristine. All lines up square and flush and beautiful. The fender is absolutely spotless. All the gaps all the way down to the very bottom is polished like a mirror. Painted sport mirrors, the pillars and the roof and the sail panels, all this is excellent. The doors, all beautiful, fits just right. All this is spot on. Beautiful cinnamon color. The metal flake sparkles, little tiny metal flake all laid out evenly. Has the low profile spoiler on the back. All of this is pristine. I'm not seeing anything to complain about. All the way down. Look at that reflection, like a mirror. All spotless, beautiful, square, flush. Jams are painted just as slick. Even the latches look new. It has the door bumpers. They said everywhere you look, it's like brand new. Bottom of the fender. So the body is outstanding. The paint, I don't want to use the word perfect. I get myself in trouble, but I did not see a flaw anywhere on this car in the paint. All of the glass was replaced. All four windows, all the moldings, all the seals, emblems, as Z28 emblems, the marker lights, as a front spoiler, the bezels, the split bumpers, the grill, everything was replaced. It all fits right. It all looks really sharp. Sitting on some really nice wheels. They're Boze wheels, B-O-Z-E. They are 19 by 8s in front, 20 by 10 in the back. There's some big meats back there. Wrapped in some performance tires. I think it has a great stance. We thought about matching the gray. We thought about putting the gray decal stripe on the hood and the trunk. That's just something you can consider to change it up if you wanted. Marker lights are new. The back bumper, tail lights, all that's new. Everything, the lock, the blacked out tail panel, even the gas cap, the wire, everything you look at is new. The license plate holder. All right, let's open it up. I'll show you more new stuff. This opens with the help of this gas strut. Everything under here is painted beautifully. Even the jam is painted slick, a little dust, but you can see how sharp it is. The weather strip is new. Inside is pristine black metal with a nice Z28 carpeted mat. All the wiring is new throughout the whole car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the cars are posted. See, the door jambs are slick, like I was showing you earlier. Brand new weather strips. Door panels, window crank, door handle, door lock knob, armrest pad, all that looks brand new. A little button to turn the interior lights on are new. Everything here is new. The dash pad, the instrument panel, all the gauges look like brand new. They're all clean. It has the tachometer. It has a working clock. Even the cigarette lighter's new. The dash pad fits beautifully. It's not warped. New vents. All the plastic looks new. Working lights. Has a retro digital stereo. They did add an oil gauge because the factory gauge package did not include an oil gauge, believe it or not. The ashtray. The center console all looks new. Has the staple shifter. All this is real nice shape. Comes with some extra keys. Extra keys on the key ring too, so comes with plenty of keys. The seats, I could tell immediately when I sat in here, all new cushion. They're all rebuilt. New upholstery, new headrests. All this back here, the carpet, the floor mats, the upholstery, the side panels, all new, new, new. The upper panels, the rear shelf. Headliner's been replaced, LED light. Looks like new visors, new mirror. Steering wheel's a new reproduction steering wheel. You can't see it, but the ignition, the hazard switch looks new. The turn signal lever looks new. And it is updated with the classic air electric slide climate controls. And there are kick panel speakers and LED lights under there as well. So everything's new in here. We have cars costing twice this amount that aren't this nice. So it is a 396 motor, has a GM Winters aluminum intake with a dual feed Holley carb underneath the air cleaner there. Electric choke, say a billet distributor. I like these 396 valve covers too. It's a real stout engine. The mechanic went out of his way to tell me this one runs strong. Wires are run neatly. The whole engine bay, all clean metal, all painted nice. New hoses, new wires. There's a nice big old battery disconnect switch here. Polished aluminum radiator with a chrome cover, new horns. We got electric fans on the radiator. Alternator, the brackets, the pulleys, the belts, hoses, all new. We got power steering, we got the air conditioning, and all new wiring. Power brakes with a Willwood master cylinder. Looks like an MSD coil, new wiper motor. Under the hood is painted shiny. It does come with the insulation pad, but it looks nice like this too, but the brand new insulation pad will come with it. All right, Michael's going to show you how this new Camaro runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, got a really slick Camaro here to cruise today. This little Z28. I'm totally digging this. I fell in love with it right off the bat, just looking at this color. It's so unique, so beautiful, something you don't see every day. And then I sat down on these nice, I believe they're the comfort weave, I think that's what they call them, seats here, and they are just so comfortable. I feel right at home. Somebody's absolutely going to love this vehicle. Beautiful, fresh rotisserie, I'm sorry, maybe not rotisserie, I think it's frame off build, excuse me, correct me on that. It's just done right. And it's got a 396 under the hood, and it's got a turbo 400 automatic transmission. She's done everything that we wanted to start right up, didn't even pump the gas. It's a fantastic experience. Bluetooth radio there, always nice to have, sync it up with your device. Our shop went over the car top to bottom. We did some typical things to it, and if you need a listing on that, you can absolutely ask a salesman or go on our website for the details. Let's see what she's got. All right, guys. Yeah, I wasn't even halfway in the throttle there. Up to 60 miles an hour, absolutely no issue at all. Yeah. Rock 'em, sock 'em. I'm totally digging it. Got more than enough power with that 396, and yeah, she just wants to go. See how it goes down the street. Really nice alignment on this one. Totally awesome. Just a real performer. Absolute winner. You guys contact their sales department if you want to come out and test drive it for yourself. Spend as much time with the car as you want to. And other than that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath, what's it like? You guessed it, it's like new under there too. Not even dirty or dusty yet. So every component was off the bottom of the car. The floors are pristine metal, all painted a nice semi-gloss black. All the steering and suspension up front, all new, upgraded with CPP tubular upper and lower control arms, Viking coilover adjustable gas shocks. In back, it has new Hotchkiss leaf springs with polished gas shocks. The fuel system's all new, the tank, the straps, even the insulators between the straps, the lines. Upgraded with a Willwood brake system. It's drilled and slotted discs at all four of the wheels, all the lines, all that's been replaced. Great sounding stainless steel dual exhaust with MagnaFlow mufflers. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless, has a high torque starter, turbo 400 automatic trans with a polished aluminum pan, rebuilt drive shaft, goes back to a 12-bolt rear end with 373 posi gears. It has an aluminum girdle cover on the rear end. This car's spotless. If you're that fussy person where you want to park a car in your living room, I'm not saying don't drive it. Yeah, you need to drive the car, but if you want something that's really pristine, I think this is the best we have to offer. And it's actually, considering that, priced very fairly. I don't think it'll last long. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions like how to get your Camaro delivered home. And if you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.